Hey guys, your boy Corey here, Real Men Get It Done. Hey, just wanted to come to y'all talking about my cleaning business. I do residential and commercial cleaning business, the same name, Real Men Get It Done, trying one of our products, SuperClean. Now, I have used SuperClean for several years, and it's dope because about once a year they send me their products and say, Corey, shoot a video. And again, I don't have a problem with doing that because they give me free products, but I can attest that their stuff is actually pretty dope, and it is a really great degreaser. So the rule of thumb, especially when you're cleaning, whether you're a novice or you're getting started, or even you just want something good for your home, some of the spots where it's grit and where there's grime, you need a degreaser to cut through whatever may be on that surface. So that's what I love SuperClean. It's a little bit more industrial, but it's not anything that's crazy like toxic or hazardous or anything of that nature. So the normal regular person can use it. As a business owner, as a brand, I'm evolving, y'all. The brand is growing and the company is growing in so many different facets, and I love it. So stay tuned, check out this video, and I probably will drop some more gems as the video continues to go on. But for now, that's it. I will holler at y'all later. Real men get it done. So we're getting right into it. As I mentioned, SuperClean is an amazing degreaser. So what are one of the spots that has a lot of grease and a lot of grime? Of course, the kitchen stove. So one of my staff members are getting right to it. First of all, getting the top of the griddle area of the stove and just spraying and saturating the SuperClean product on there, and then using a microfiber towel to kind of get into those nooks and crannies. Next up is layer number 2, removing the griddle area and now tackling the second layer of the stove area, which is actually the stove top base, and then also the ears of the burners to make sure we get all that taken care of. A degreaser like SuperClean is also very good for a kitchen countertop. This one particularly being Granite. On Granite, especially when it's one that's a color like this, you may not necessarily see everything that may be embedded, but sometimes it may be different sauces or just from being used over and over that there's a thing actually, pieces of material actually on that Granite countertop. So a good degreaser like a SuperClean would definitely be placed on it. It'll pull all that grit and grime up, and then again we just wipe it away with a nice microfiber towel. Peace and blessings, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in, watching the video, and just continue to be with me along this journey, y'all. There's so many things that I want to bring to the channel. I'm going to try to keep evolving some things. I'm connected with a new platform that hopefully will allow me to do a little bit more streaming type to kind of connect with the audience, connect with you guys with the brand, the mission, and the vision. But Real Men Get It Done is just the challenge that I have for us as men to just level up, whether it's doing in our grooming routine, whether it's with our families, whether it's with our personal and everyday lives. The challenge and the call is there. Real men get it done, and we destroy excuses. Till next time, peace and blessings.